Summer is fun for all of us. We get to go to the beach, we tough on our houses. The sun's hitting it, the heat's hitting it. It is actually making our house wilt around everything that's happening. But we can give you that refreshing help around the house. Whether it's wood rot repair around the house, maybe that deck that you've noticed is starting to move a little bit more, which we are starting to see too. With the heat and humidity, everything is starting to expand. And as it expands, it moves away from the house. So we want to make sure we're keeping you guys safe on your deck. And on the inside, we're probably seeing a little bit more condensation, maybe a little bit more water all of a sudden showing up on the inside of our windows, because when hot, humid air hits cold windows that have lost their seal, you start to see that condensation on the inside. These are just a number of the little tricks and little tips that we can give you at the Trusted Toolbox. And we're always training our guys. We just did training again with these guys about all kinds of things we can help you with around the house, including wood rot repair and replacing sills and sill noses on windows. You don't have to replace all of the windows, but these are just some of the things that we have learned over the 18 years we've been out helping you in the marketplace in Atlanta. Until next month, be safe and stay cool, everybody.